नमस्कार, मी निलिमा कदम. आर्क ई लर्निंग या व्हिडिओजमध्ये आपले सहर्ष स्वागत. इयत्ता 6वी स्टँडर्ड 6 समीकरणे इक्वेशन्स भाग 2. व्हॉट इज अन बॅलन्स इक्वेशन? समीकरणाच्या दोन्ही बाजूंवर खालीलपैकी कोणतीही क्रिया केली तर संतुलित समीकरण मिळू शकते. So to remain the equation balance, we have to perform the same operations on both the sides of an equation. So adding the same number to both the sides, subtracting the same number from both the sides, multiplying both the sides by same number, dividing both the sides by the same non-zero number, and exchanging the two sides. So when we are solving an equation, we have to perform same operations on both sides of the number. A plus 5 equal to 13. Let's solve this equation. Now on the left hand side, variable is A. And what is the plus 5 is there. Again, see what number is there. It is plus 5. Opposite of plus 5 is, yes, minus 5. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 5 from both the sides. So A plus 5 equal to 13. Here we are subtracting 5 from both the sides. Therefore minus 5. And on the right hand side also we are writing minus 5. Now plus 5 minus 5, 0. So A plus 0 is equal to 13 minus 5 is 8. A plus 0 is A. Therefore, value of this variable is 8. Getting? Next example. A minus 6 equal to 17. First of all, you have to find out the variable. Which is variable over here? Yes, A. A is a variable. On the left hand side, A minus 6 equal to 7. On the left hand side, minus 6 is there. So, opposite of this minus 6, yes, it is plus 6. Okay, so what we have to do? Plus 6, opposite of minus 6 is plus 6. Therefore, we have to add 6 to both the sides. This is very, very important. First of all, you have to decide which operation you have to perform. It is whether it is addition, multiplication, subtraction or division. Now here minus is there, therefore you have to get rid of this minus 6. We have to add 6. So that minus 6 plus 6 becomes 0. So A minus 6 equal to 17. Both the sides we are adding plus 6. Here you have to write this sentence. Adding 6 to both the sides. दोन्ही बाजूत 6 मिळवून किंवा दोन्ही बाजूमध्ये 6 अधिक करून. So plus 6 and on the right hand side also we are adding plus 6. Okay. So on the left hand side minus 6 plus 6, this will become 0. So A plus 0 is equal to, on the right hand side, 17 plus 6, add them, 23. Therefore answer is A is equal to 23. Okay. Next, 6x equal to 18. LHS, RHS. Left hand side 6x. So what is the operation over here? 6x means 6 into x. Remember. Now dear friends, here variable is x and which operation is multiplication. So when multiplication is there, opposite of multiplication, what is there? Yes, division. Therefore, in this case, you want to get rid of this 6. What you have to do? Yes, divide by 6. So that 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Here remain 1 into x is x. Getting? How to get rid of this 6? So here, this variable is multiplied by 6. When multiplication is there, you have to do which operation? division to get rid of that number. Okay, so what we have to do, both the sides we have to divide by 6. So dividing both the sides by 6, write this sentence. This is very important. You have to write which operation you have done. So 6x as it is, and the right hand side 18 as it is. You are dividing by 6 to left hand side. Therefore right hand side also you have to divide by 6. Here 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. Here 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. So 3 upon 1 means 3. Here x upon 1 means x. So what is remaining? X is equal to 3. This is the solution of this equation. Okay. So up till now what we have seen, when addition is there, opposite of addition you have to subtract. Subtraction is there, you have to add. Multiplication is there, you have to divide. Now another type of example. See here. P upon 5 equal to 4. Dear friends, P upon 5 means what? P divided by 5. Right? So here comes division. Now variable is P, and with variable which number is there? 5. But it is division. So opposite of division, which operation we have to perform? Yes, of course it is multiplication. So what we have to do? Yes, both the sides we have to multiply by 5. So write down, multiplying both the sides by 5. दोन्ही बाजूस 5 ने गुणून. So left hand side P upon 5. Right hand side 4 is there. Both the sides we are multiplying by 5. Therefore multiply into 5. Right hand side also into 5. Okay. So here, see here. This is 5 upon 1. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, getting cancelled because this is 5 upon 5. So left hand side only remain P, that is variable, and here 4 5s are. What is the answer? Yes, P is equal to 20. So the value of this variable is 20. Here we have solved the equation. So when addition is there, we have to do subtraction to both the sides. When subtraction is there, we have to add particular number to both the sides. Similarly, when multiplication is there, we have to divide both the sides by that particular number, and for division we have to multiply. So in some equations the solution is obvious. For example, consider these examples. X minus 5 equal to 12. It's very easy. X minus 5. So what we have to do? Plus 5. So x is equal to 17. Right? 5n is equal to 35. Here multiplying by 5. So we have to divide by 5. So n is equal to, dividing by 35 by 5. So n is equal to 7. 5 7s are 35. Here 20 plus h equal to 41. So what is the value of this h here? 20 plus how much equal to 41? So this plus 20, we have to subtract 20 from both the sides. Obviously h is equal to 21. And here division is there. So we have to multiply both the sides by 8. So that this 8 will get cancelled, and 3 8s are 24. C is equal to 24. Okay. So we can simply work out some, if easier operations are there, we can find out these solutions orally. But how to solve these equations step by step, just now we have seen. You supposed to solve this equation this step by step only. Okay.